করো। আবাসা, সাউন্ড শোনা যায়? রেসপন্স করো আবাসা। সাউন্ড হ্যাঁ, স্পষ্ট শোনা যায় না? বোর্ডটা দেখা যায়? জয়েন করো ইভা। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা, জয়েন করো। ঠিক আছে, না তুমি এটা এখানে
Assalamualaikum. Let's start. Today's topic is transformation. Write it down, please. Transformation. We are going to discuss about the comparison of adjectives. That means degree. That is also called degree. Comparison of adjectives or degree. Do you know how many types of degree? 3 types. Positive, please write it down. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. So, you have to change 2 words. In the case of transformation of degree, positive, comparative, and superlative, you have to change 2 words. That is, one is from the degree and another is a linking words or a indicator. So positive is as good as. The form of positive, we have to add an as before and after the word degree. So this is the positive form, good. And what is the comparative form of good? That is better, B-E-T-T-E-R. And then you have to add a word that is called then, T-H-A-N, then. Not then, not T-H-E-N, then. Not then, that is then. And then superlative, the best. In the case of superlative degree, you must use the article the before the word, the best. So that is the indicator, as good as.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
As, next, then, and in the case of superlative degree, the best. Now the changing words. Changing words. First, no other. You can find two words in positive degrees, that is no other and very few. Next, if you change the word no other, you have to use any other in the comparative form. Any other. And here, and here, most other. Most other. Can you hear me? If there is some interruption or you cannot hear me, please comment on the comment box. Next, cross. No other, any other, cross. Very few, most other, one of them. One of them. So these are the indicators and these are the changing degree. As good as, better than, the best. No other, any other, cross, very few, most other, one of them. So now we are going to changing in the sentence. Number 1. Urim is the best boy in the class. So, at first you have to find the degree or comparison of adjectives from the sentence. Karim is the best boy in the class. So, which one is the degree here? You have to choose the word, the best. The best is the degree. So, which degree? Is this match with positive? No. As better than? No. The best. So, this one. So this degree is from the superlative degree. This is the superlative form of the best. Karim is the best boy in the class. Now you have to change it into comparative degree. So you have to change two words here. One is degree and another one is changing words. So degree, in case of comparative form, Karim is. Now change the degree, the best. What is the comparative form of the best? Better than. So, better than. Karim is better than. Now use a word, any other. Any other, because there was no one of them. The indicator was not one of them in this sentence. There is no indicator here. Karim is the best boy in the class. Karim is better than any other. Now, the last portion of the sentence, boy in the class. Now, positive. In case of superlative and comparative, subject should be in the first position. But in case of positive degree, subject stands in the last of the sentence, last position of the sentence, at last of the sentence, at the end of the sentence. So, what should be the answer? At first, you have to change the indicator. Any other. Any other. You have to change any other. So, any other. So, the comparative form of any other is Karim is better than any other boy in the class. Now we have to change it into positive degree. That means any other, the word, changing word of any other is no other. I wrote it, I mentioned it before. No other. Now, no other. First, the changing word. Next, the last position of the sentence, boy in the class. Boy in the class. No other boy in the class. Then verb is. Now change the degree, the best, better than, and now as good as. As good as. As good as. No other boy in the class as good as, and the last one, that is subject. Now query. Can you getting my point? Is there any problem regarding this sentence? Again, we just check it. Karim is the best boy in the class. This is the superlative form. Now, Karim is better than any other boy in the class. This is the comparative form. And no other boy in the class is as good as Karim. This is the positive form of the degree. Now, we have to go to the next indicator. That means you have to, or we have to use, add a word before the word the best, and that should be one of the. So here the comparison is among the all the member of the class. In this sentence, Karim is the best boy in the class. Now we have to say Karim is one of the best boys in the class. Boys in the class. Students, Karim is one of the best boys in the market. Boys, you have to, or you must have to add the superlative form of boys. Right side dekha jay na achha mane in the class. Can you hear me? Karim is the best boy in the boys in the class. I wrote it in the class. Now is it clear? Karim is one of the best boys in the class. Now we have to change. At first you have to find out the degree here. So again, the best is the degree, and that is the superlative degree. So Karim is better than, again, better than Karim is better than. Next, you have to change the word. Instead of one of the, you must have this. I wrote it before and I already erased it. Karim is better than most other, because the indicator here is any one of the. So that's why you have to use the word most other. You cannot use here any other. Karim is better than most other. Then the rest of the sentence was in the class. Dot dot dot. Now the positive form. Positive form. At first you have to write down the word, indicator word, that is most other. Instead of most other, you have to use here very few. You cannot write here no other. Very few. Then boys in the class. Point to be noted. Students, point to be noted. Khayal karo. Very few boys in the class. You have to use the plural form of the verb. That means are. In the above sentences, the subject was Karim. Karim is the singular form. That's why we use always is. But in this sentence, very few boys in the class. This is the plural form of class. Very few boys. We use the subject in the plural form. So the verb should be plural. Are. Very few boys in the class are. Now change the degree as good as, and then subject Karim. As good as Karim. So these are the two rules, and we have an exceptional rules also. So if we finish the exceptional rules, this topic will be finished. So now the exceptional. Can you write it? Have you finished? So the exceptional sentence is motorcycle is faster than a bicycle. A motorcycle is faster than a bicycle. So what is the degree here? Faster than. That means the comparative form. It is the comparative form of the word fast. Faster than. Now you have to change it into positive degree. In that case, you have two subjects, that is a motorcycle and a bicycle. Here this is subject and this is object. In this sentence, you have to change the subject into object and object to subject. So a bicycle should be replaced by a motorcycle. A bicycle is not. Point to be noted, you have to use the negative form of the verb. A bicycle is not as fast as a motorcycle. So we have some homeworks today. Please write down in your copies. Number 1. Write down in your copies. Number 1. Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world. The first one, Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world. Number 2, milk is the most nutritious food. Milk is the most nutritious food. Next, Dhaka is the largest city in Bangladesh. Next, he was the laziest boy in the class. Number 5, Chittagong is the biggest port in Bangladesh. Chittagong is the biggest port in Bangladesh. Have you finished? So, first of all, Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. This is the first rules. That means we have to use the word to word, no other any other cross, and very few most other one of them. No other any other cross, very few most other one of them. So we have to use the first rules here. No other, again we write no other any other cross. Then very few, most other, one of them. So Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. This is in the first rules, number 1. So we have to change it into comparative. Dhaka is the biggest. So the comparative form is the biggest is bigger than. Dhaka is bigger than any other block in any other city in Bangladesh. Next, the comparative form, no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. You can finish the next 4 just in this method or in these rules. Next, very few boys in the class are as good as Karim. These rules are vice versa. If you change it to comparative form, so what should be the answer? So the question is very few boys in the class are as good as Karim. So what should be the answer? The answer should be in the positive form. Very few, use very few. So you must have to use the most of the word in the comparative form and one of the in the superlative form. So what should be the answer of the superlative degree of this sentence? Karim is one of the best boys in the class. Again, Karim is one of the best boys in the class. Next, an example of the exceptional rules. You can write it down. This is quiz for this day. A plane can fly faster than a train. Faster than a train. So this is in the comparative form, faster than. You have to change it into the positive form. Those who are watching me, you can write the answer on the comment box. This is your quiz for today. A plane can fly faster than a train. What should be the answer of the positive form of this sentence? একটু জোরে বলবো আচ্ছা A plane can fly faster than a train. I am waiting for the answers. Time up. A train cannot, if I write here, a train cannot fly. So, what should be the meaning? Train cannot fly. A train cannot fly. So, we have to change the verb here. We have to change the verb here. This is an exceptional sentence of the exceptional rules. A train cannot move or run faster than, as fast as. The positive form of faster than is as fast as. A train cannot move as fast as a plane. As fast as a plane. You have to change the fourth sentence that I mentioned before in the both rules. That means you have to change it in the singular form and also in the comparative form. No other, any other cross, very few, most other, one of them. You have to change. This is the exceptional rules, but the five sentences I mentioned that Dhaka is the biggest city in the Bangladesh, Bihar is the most nutritious food, English is the richest of all language, Chittagong is the biggest port. You have to change it with the two rules. That means you have to use that. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh and Dhaka is one of the biggest cities in Bangladesh. So, is it clear? There is no rules regarding these sentences. These are three rules. No other, any other cross, very few, most of the one of them, and the exceptional one. This sentence, exceptional. This is the exceptional sentence. Because there are two subjects: a plane, a train. A train, a plane. In case of a plane, you have to change the word in the position of the object and in the a train in the position of the subject. Okay, thank you.